Okay, good morning. We're going to do our LQE slide 4 notes today. We're going to be identifying types of functions from graphs. So this is in your Google Drive. Hopefully, if you've already opened it, don't open a new one in Schoology. Just use the one that you already have. So from yesterday, we have to remember we have three types of functions: linear, quadratic, and exponential. Linear is a straight line, so that's my blue graph. Quadratic is a U-shaped, either a happy face or a sad face. In this case, it's a sad face, which is my green one. And the exponential function is my L or my J. In this case, it's a J, so it's growth. We'll talk more about that, no worries. Okay, so those are what the graphs look like. Now, these are just scatter plots down here. I'm going to make them a tad bit bigger so we can see. These are just scatter plots, okay? What is the shape of this scatter plot? Well, it looks like a U, so we're going to type in a Q. This one, not quite a U, doesn't come back up. Not quite a straight line. This is more of an exponential, so it's going and shooting up. So this is an exponential. My next one, that downward facing sad face, that is quadratic. My fourth one, that's that nice linear line. And then my last one, not that U, not a straight line that looks like a letter L, that is my exponential. Okay, so again, more practice. This first graph is that U, upside down U. So I'm going to grab my quadratic and bring it over. This is that J, that is my exponential. And this is that straight line, which is my linear line. Okay, that's off of a graph. Now I'm going to go to the other side, which is off from an equation. So remember an equation in slope-intercept or in linear function form, slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So the x is in the problem, but doesn't have an exponent of 2, and also is not in the exponent. So that means it's this one, y equals 2x minus 5. Quadratic function has an exponent of 2. So in our case, this one has an exponent of 2. That's my quadratic function. My exponential function y equals 5 to the x minus 25. Now what you need to do is you need to label these 6 here. Once you label those 6, you need to also do your quizzes. There's a quizzes in Schoology. You need to get an 85% and then submit a screenshot of that so I can update your grade.